No, I don't have scissors. Oh, come on! Damn! Big one? Yeah, we'll get that. Yeah. All the same size. That looks cool though, it looks striped. Oh, just kidding, maybe. What is that shitty worm in the other side of his mouth? Fat one. Nice. Mm-hmm. Yep. Doesn't feel like a bass though. Oh, just a little one. Yeah, just a little one. Still can't flip him. Shit, dude. Holy shit.
Did you just get 8?
No, but might have a trolling motor issue.
You did it?
I think so. Make sure it doesn't go off, please. Shit, dude. Help. Oh, come on. Oh, dude. Haven't had a bite. There's one. Good one. Good one. Get the net. Get the net. Huh? Dude, that's a good one. Hurry up. Oh, that's like a 3. It's like a 3. It's fighting. That ain't a 3. Oh, maybe. You got your scale?
I was gonna tell you we did catch him off right here.
Hell yeah. First fish. It's probably 2, 2.5. Hell yeah. Let's go. Take my picture real quick. This might be the biggest fish I catch all trip. Oh.
Cup drops.
Thanks, bud. Dope.
Where'd you catch it off of?
Just way back in there. Super shallow. Nice. And I got it on video.
Oh yeah?
Yup. Got him. Take it. Net or no?
Yeah.
She's decent, all right. That's a good one. Golf drops.
He's sick. He's been eating golf drops. Not bad.
Dang, yeah. Oh, another 2.5. Say that again?
See it.
Who? Dope. No.
And there's a bunch of stuff on the bottom over here too, remember?
There's one.
Little one?
Yeah, little guy.
Matter or no?
Yeah, might as well. He's fighting. Damn. He's a feisty one.
I don't know, we've been batting all of them. I don't like boat flipping. I always
Oh, I can't flip it on this. Dude, they fight so hard down here. What the hell? Glad I brought a spinning rod.
First cast.
Oh, he ain't that big.
I'm gonna eat this one.
No.
What?
Why?
It looks pregnant. Oh.
Well, that's a little one. They're all fat, though. All right, I like the worms. Who'd have thunk?